Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to solve past paper questions related to chapter 2, that is Algebra 1. But before starting the question, let me tell you one thing about what are these symbols, that is MJ22, QP22. I have just written on the side, that is MJ stand for May, June, and the next number represents the year, that is 2022. QP means question paper, 22 means paper 2, variant 2. Similarly, ON means October, November, and FM means Feb, March. Okay, now this is our first question. The question says at noon the temperature is 4 degrees Celsius, at midnight the temperature is minus 9 degrees Celsius. Work out the difference in temperature. Okay, so how can we solve this question? It's a simple process. First you have to write the formula of calculating the difference in temperature, that is second temperature minus first temperature. Okay, this is the formula. You can also write it as new temperature minus old temperature. Okay, the second temperature is minus 9 degrees Celsius and the first temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. So I'm just going to write the number, that is minus 9, and this minus remains the same. First temperature is 4 degrees Celsius and this is 4. So we need to add them. Minus 9 minus 4, that is equal to minus 13. This is our answer, minus 13 degrees Celsius. Now moving toward the next question. This is again the similar process, that is after writing the difference formula, that is second temperature minus first temperature. Okay, this is our formula to calculate the difference in temperature. What is the second temperature? Minus 1 degree Celsius. This minus remains the same, and first temperature, that is minus 8.5 degree Celsius. So minus 8.5. We are going to solve it. Minus 9 minus into minus, that is equal to plus, and 8.5. The answer is 7.5. So this is our answer, 7.5 degree Celsius. Moving to our third question, which is calculate 4 raised to power 5 minus 5 raised to power 4. If you guys appearing in 2023 or 2024 examination, then you can use calculator. And if you are appearing in 2025 examination, then no calculator is allowed in the first paper. Okay, we have two paper, you already know, paper 2 and paper 4. Now if you are not allowed to use calculator, then what will you do? You have to show all your working steps like this. I'm gonna show it. 4 raised to power 5 means 4 is going to multiply by itself with 5 times like this, and minus 5 raised to power 4, 5 into 5 into 5 and into 5, 4 times. So first 4 into 4, that is equal to 16, and 16 into 4, that is equal to 64, and 64 into 4, I just don't know, so 64 into 4, 6, and 620, that will be 256. Okay, so here we have 256 at this stage. 256, we need to multiply 256 with 4. So again 256 multiply by 4, and I'm doing it. So this will be 2, and okay, so that's it. We have 1024 after multiplying 4 5 times. Okay, now the next number is 5. 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. 25 into 5, that is 125, and 125 into 5, 625. Yes, this I already know it. So 1024 minus 625, it will be 399. So this is your answer, 399. This is our fourth question, that is s is equal to 1 over 2 AD square. Work out the value of s when a is equal to 0.9 and t is equal to 4. You just need to put the values of the variable, that is 1 over 2. The value of a is 0.9 and the value of t is 4 whole square, remains the same. So 1 over 2, this is in decimal form. Convert it into fraction like this. In order to do that, that is 0.9. In the denominator we place 1 for decimal, and the digits after decimal we just place zeros. If there are 3 digits, then we place 3 zeros, and if we have 4 digits, then we place 4 zero, so on, like this. So 4 square is equal to 16, and we are going to cancel it to 1 time, to 8 time, and again we can cancel to 5 time, to 4 time. Now the rest is 9 into 4 divided by 5. 9 4 times 36 divided by 5. So you can divide it 36, 7 times 35, 1, place a decimal and carry a 0. So 5 2 times 10. So our answer is 7.2. 7.2 is the answer, and also 36 by 5 is another answer. Okay, both are correct. Question 6 is, work out the value of mk cube over square root of 3 when m is equal to 4 and k is equal to 7. Okay, for this question, write the value you want to calculate and put the values in the variable. That is, the value of m is 4 and the value of k is 7, and cube remains the same. Okay, in the denominator we have square root 3. Use your calculator. Okay, 4 into 7 raised to power 3, it will be 343 divided by square root of 3. Now multiply 4 with 343, you will get 1372, that is 1372 divided by square root of 3. After dividing, you will get 792.1, or you can simply write 792. This is correct and this is also correct, 792.1. Question number 7 is, put one pair of brackets into each calculation to make it correct. That is, we need to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side by placing the brackets. Okay, the question is easy. You just need to put bracket around 2 digits or 3 digits. It's up to you. You have to check it. I'm gonna place first like this and simplify it. 6 into 7, that is equal to 42, minus 5 plus 4, and my answer should be equal to 16. 42 plus 4, as I can see that I will get 41 after solving this. 42 plus 4, that is equal to 46, minus 5 is equal to 16. So 46 minus 5 does not equal to 16. So this is not right. So what should we do now? Okay, first I'm going to erase it. Okay, now I'm going to put bracket around 7 and 5. So now I'm going to solve it for myself. 7 minus 5, that will be 2, plus 4 is equal to 16. Now I'm going to multiply it. 6 2 times 12. So this is it. By placing the bracket around 7 and 5, I get the value, that is the 16. And let me tell you one thing, this is for yourself. This is the working. You just need to show the bracket. Okay. In part B, that is in these type of questions, first put the bracket around the negative number like this and see if it is correct or not. Okay, if you have minus 94 raised to power 3 or minus 1001 raised to power 14, so on like this, then you have to just place the bracket first around the number and see if it is correct or not. If it is not, then go for the previous step. Okay, now I'm going to solve it for myself to see if it is correct or not. Minus 2 whole square, it will be plus 4, and plus 24 divided by 12, the answer will be 2. Minus 4 is equal to 2. As I can see, 2 is equal to 2. This bracket is correct. Question 8 is, expand and simplify. 6 is going to multiply with t and minus q, and minus 2 is going to multiply with t and minus 3q. So just multiply it. 6t minus 6q minus 2 into t, that is equal to minus 2t, minus into minus 3, that is minus into minus, that is equal to plus 2 3 times 6, and q remains the same. Minus 6q and plus 6q can be cancelled out. The rest is 6t minus 2t. Okay, 6t minus 2t, the answer is 4t. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, I'm gonna recall it. And what is it? Multiplication rules. Multiplication rules. And what are those? Number one, we first multiply sign, that is the both signs, sign into sign. Second is coefficient into coefficient. And the third one is variable into variable. Variable means unknown. Variable into variable. And we apply the base rule. Example, if we have 3x raised to power 4 multiply minus 4x raised to power 2. We are going to apply these rules. First, we are going to multiply sign with sign. The sign of 3x raised to power 4 is plus. So plus into minus, the answer is minus 3 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 12. And x raised to power 4 into x raised to power 2, the base rule. We just write a single base and add the powers like this, 4 plus 2. The final answer is 12x raised to power 6. Hope you get it. That's for the day. We will continue the past paper questions in the upcoming videos. Please subscribe my channel and share it to others. Allah Hafiz.